Happy 4th of July! I hope you're having a great time out there with the family. Welcome back to the RC Propaganda YouTube channel.
In today's video, we are going to be bashing the Arrma Vorteks and the Traxxas Rustler Vxl. So we got some the Freedom ramp all set up here. We're going to do a little tuning to it and then we'll be ready to bash. So we're going to tune up this ramp and then we're going to let these trucks have it. Let's go. All right, Mrs. Prop, putting her to work. We got to get a little dirt down in here just to kind of make the angle a little of approach a little bit better here. So work, Mexican work. I like that South Park episode. So I'm gonna have her.
If you want it well done, you have to do it yourself.
Here are the rigs, the Vortex, the Rustler,
And me. But no batteries included. What do you think?
I think I'm gonna take over. All right, let me show you how a man shovels. Look at that. See how much dirt I can move? Oh yeah. We gotta build this thing way
Show
out.
off.
That's power, baby. I know women think, oh yeah, we're all big and bad. But I'd kick Mrs. Propaganda's ass, just saying. I don't condone hitting women.
Yeah. Specify that.
Yeah, I don't want you guys to get the wrong idea. I know I choked her out on the live stream the other day. But that was pretend. Okay, so I got a bunch of dirt over here. And I'm just gonna change this approach angle a little bit. That's why I like these land wave ramps. They're not good on their own, but they're good if you're gonna put them on a hill. So we're gonna hit this with some speed and jump up over there.
Work, work, work. No brakes. Work, work, work.
All right, we are ready to bash. We get this other camera. I got one camera on my head. We got another one over here on the jump. Let's see. Wave to Mrs. Prop down there. She's ready. All right, here we go. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Woo, we almost hit each other. Here she goes. Oh, nice. Took the flag out on her first rip. Whee! She wasn't going fast enough.
Let's see how long my hat stays on.
Get unstuck.
You are stuck?
I said get unstuck.
Oh,
You on 100% throttle or 75?
75.
75? She's on 75 throttle. I want you to go whatever you feel comfortable with. Oh! She almost had the backflip.
Is my hat on?
No. Almost. Some of it come off.
Oh,
You gotta let off the throttle in the air.
I didn't even think I was going to.
Loco.
Oh my god.
Oh, you missed. Oh. Oh, that was crazy.
Unusual where they had the little pressure most of me. I was looking at you.
You're just admiring my big airs, huh? Should come up here so you have a vantage.
I'm not celebrating anymore.
Oh, that's it. She's not celebrating anymore. almost hit the camera.
Yeah?
Yeah, I just missed it. Ooh, I just missed your legs.
I know. I felt it.
Woo! Happy 4th of July, sending it.
Oh my God, I'm just excited from seeing you.
Woohoo! Mrs. Prop just landed a sick backflip, but the camera wasn't on yet. I was resetting. Our flags are to shit, but she'll do it again. Woohoo! Yeehaw! Make sure you're lined up before you get on the throttle. Oh, look at it.
Naked guy.
Some guy. Oh, he's not naked, but he's a guy. Oh! I'm stuck. That was a hard one.
Yeah. I'll wait.
Nothing looks broken though. Yikes. Ah! Jesus! I stayed in front of the jump. I think it's just a guy running or something. Good thing I had my clothes on. Some speed! Woohoo! Traxxas is dusting the Arrma.
Like a Rustler.
Oh, sure.
Or two.
No, let's race. Out in the open. Come on, line it up. Back up here. Okay, Mrs. Prop and I are gonna drag race on 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! I win!
Oh my God, look at this.
Come on. Yeah! Woohoo! Woo!
Hey, but I make 3 flips.
Let's start from over here and race again on this side. Ah, into the ditch. Ah.
I still cannot jump.
Yeah, you gotta practice. You count.
1, 2, go!
Ah! Ah! You flipped over.
Oh, flip me! Come on, guys, go ahead. Oh!
Ah!
And I tried.
Again. You're stuck.
Hold on, let me take my rub collection out.
You good? Okay, you count.
1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Oh my God!
That was crazy.
Oh my God, I'm stuck now.
I know, you're gonna have to go up there.
Can see what I'm doing.
Yeah!
Oh, there I go.
I took a really nasty tumble.
Look at me. Oh, there we go. I couldn't see which way my car was facing.
Ah! You scared me. I don't know what you're gonna do. All right, here we go. Gonna try to film Mrs. Prop. She's got some liquid courage. Tell the people.
Yeah. I got liquid courage because I cannot make this line up. It's hard for me for some reason. And I did 2 backflips and he wasn't filming, so I'm gonna have to try and recreate him, see if I can do it.
Okay. English is not her first language, people, so don't judge her, all right? She just can't get herself lined up on the ramp. That's what she's trying to say. It's too hot, this camera. Oh, it's saying low battery, which is weird. I don't know why that battery's dead, but it's hot. The cameras are hot. Mrs. Prop is hot. The Vortex is hot. Let's see if she can do it. Come on, babe. Oh, I don't know what that was. Oh, she's still going. Ah! Oh, well, it's falling. Okay. Okay. We're not ending the video till she does a backflip, so.
Oh my God, we're gonna be here all day.
No, she can do it. I know she can do it.
Not under pressure.
Come on, babe.
Am I straight in there?
Gas it, go! Oh, she did it. It made a weird noise.
My bow fell off.
Well, she did it. She did a backflip. Keep going. Keep bashing. It made a really strange noise. I don't know what that was. Keep practicing. You need it. As soon as you get close, you can gas it, but don't do backflips every time. You know, you gotta let off when you hit the jump. There you go, go. Oh my God, she did another backflip. Look at Backflip McGee over here. Oh my God.
That's it. That's the only thing I can do now. Black.
She's a one-trick pony.
I keep saying black. Backflip.
She's got black on the mind. I don't know why. Reminds her of me, I guess. Certain parts, you know. Oh my God! Wow! Backflip McGee with the Vortex.
Liquid courage.
Whoa!
Work.
Let's see what she's got to say. Let's interview her.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. What do you got to tell the people?
I say liquid courage do work.
Ah. Whoa! All right. It is really hot, but the breeze is nice. Oh, man, the Vortex is tough.
Did you hear it?
What?
It made that noise again.
Yeah, I think it's rocks or something hitting the drive shaft. Whee! Whee! Oh, look at her out there in the open. She's a beast. Remember, guys, she's just learning. So what's your excuse? Oh! Oh! No! What did she do? Oh no! Oh, she twisted the body out. Tweaked it a little bit.
Oh no, Herculito.
There was no body pin in there, and it just ruptured.
Oh.
There you go. You're a little better now. There. Good as new.
Not even hurt.
All right, bash out here in the open. Get some speed. Show the people what you got.
Oh. Save it.
Here's her bow on the ground right here that fell off. Woo! Woo! Yay! Wee! Aw!
Help!
The new Gen Ace Basher pack holding up, getting some time. This truck is tough if it can hold up to Mrs. Prop. Mrs. Prop is the ultimate test of durability with all her crashes. Back it up, Mike. Whee! Oh no, don't flip over there. Ah! You're doing the walk of shame. You're gonna do it.
I'm gonna do it like a cowboy.
Cause I wanna be a cowboy, baby. I don't wanna sing too good, hurt the algorithm. They'll be busting me. Run, Forrest, run! Get that RC truck! Yeehaw! All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. The camera's hot. The rigs are even hotter.
We are hot.
Yeah, Mrs. Propaganda is the hottest. But we had a lot of fun. Mrs. Propaganda was doing backflips like it was her job. She's learning. She's getting better. I actually really like these little 3S rigs. They're a lot of fun. So if you don't have one, go pick one up. But yeah, that's all we kind of have for this video. Really appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Hit that like button. I know you guys can do it. I know you guys can comment. We've seen it before. If you want a shirt like this, go to the link in the description. Pick one up. You can join the new scale order. But until the next one, guys, peace.
Happy 4th.